being a little quiet because Hanyul and Q are still sleeping. And I have not gotten myself ready this morning yet. I have just been sitting here with Solar. She's so cute. Anyway, Happy New Year! Even though it is January 8th and it's already been the new year for over a week. But I haven't talked to you guys yet. We didn't record a video at the end of last year because Q and I just wanted to enjoy Christmas with Solar and Hanyul. And then the day after Christmas was Hanyul's birthday. So Q took the day off work and we just spent the day with Hanyul. He got a new slide for his birthday and he absolutely loved it. We didn't record a vlog for those days, but I did record some little videos, so I will share those with you right now. Whoa! Santa came!
Hey, it came up. It's nice.
Yeah.
I'll open it.
Okay, we'll open it.
Santa came out.
Santa came out?
Papa, Santa, yeah.
Wow.
I got this.
Oh yeah. Hanyul.
And put it.
Everything Hanyul's.
Yeah.
Everything Hanyul's.
Wow.
Wow.
What's that, Papa?
This is protein.
This one.
Wow.
What's it?
What is that?
What is it?
What is that?
Ah, it's box.
Box. But then what's in it?
I know.
Oh, Solar got an ornament. Yeah, that's her zodiac sign.
What's it? What's it? What is it?
Whoa!
Chocolate!
Chocolate milk straws.
What's it? What is it? What is it? It's a honey!
Yeah, that's for Hanyul. Oh, Hanyul got an ornament too.
Oh no, big.
Let me see. Oh, this one is also Hanyul's zodiac sign. Wow. We can put these on the tree later. Okay, Hanyul.
Huh?
Do you want to go look at your birthday present?
Yeah?
Okay. Happy birthday, buddy. Let's go see. It's in your bedroom.
In the bathroom?
Yeah. Okay. You can open your eyes, buddy. You want to open your door?
Hmm?
You can open your eyes.
Yay!
Happy birthday.
It's in my face!
What is it?
Jay!
Slide. Haniel definitely had a lot of fun for Christmas and his birthday. And he is 3 years old now. I can't believe it. I really can't believe that he is 3. And Solar is now almost 2 months old. Now I'm just waiting for Q and Haniel to wake up, and then we are maybe going to go to the mall and maybe take Haniel to a kids cafe so that he can play and get some energy out today. All right, Q and Haniel are awake and we had some breakfast, and now we are going to the mall. Hopefully we can get Haniel some new snow boots today if we can find them, and then we're gonna maybe go play at a kids cafe. So let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, we have finished playing at the mall. Haniel played for like 2 hours, and we got him some cool Spider-Man boots.
Come here, show, jump.
Whoa!
Go, jump.
Jump! Ah. Okay, Solar's crying. We're gonna leave now and go eat some food. Alright guys, we are finally back home. We have been gone all day and we are exhausted. Dinner was delicious, but Solar cried through most of dinner, which was really embarrassing. But dinner was still good even though she was crying a lot. Haniel is already asleep, and Solar is almost asleep, and Q is just taking a shower before we go to bed too. So because we are about to go to bed, I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, it is many hours later. Solar is taking a nap and Haniel is painting. Okay, we're just gonna paint for maybe 30 or 40 minutes, and then I will probably start making dinner before Q gets home. I put crackers in mine. Do you like your soup, bud? Yeah. Okay, all done with eating. Now we're gonna do some family stretching and some family exercise.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱. 아니요, 손. This one. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. 간다. 하나, push your body. 하나, 둘, 셋. 하나, 오, 둘, 셋, 넷, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. 오케이, other side. 하나,
우와.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯,
우와.
일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. 우와.
우와. 우와.
둘,
우와.
셋.
Whoa. Are you lifting weights, Hanyo? Yeah. He's taking this very seriously. All right, we are all done with our family workout. And now we are going to go to bed. Can you say goodnight?
Good night.
Okay.
I'll be right
Bye, everyone.
Bye.